Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are going over the most fun summer toys on all of Amazon. This is the Intex Inflatable Dinosaur Play Pool. How awesome is this, you guys? You will notice that out of this palm tree, there is a sprinkler, so all you do is plug in your hose and it is going to keep the party going. You've got a sprinkler in the pool, you've got your wading pool, of course, these little steps that you go up into, a kind of slide down inflatable part underneath that to keep your kids super safe. This is crazy cute. Any kid is going to love this, especially if they love dinosaurs. You guys are going to want to pick up the Intex air pump that's going to make inflating this total breeze, super fast, and then you can get your kids playing and outside as fast as possible, enjoying the beautiful sunshine while it's here. There is also a plug in the bottom to let all the, like a drain to let all the water out, so that happens really, really fast. If you guys don't know, Intex is basically synonymous with durability and quality when it comes to inflatable products. It's what they do. They're the best at it. They have some of the greatest, so I just encourage you, check out their shop, check out their other products. They have some of the cutest and most original, innovative summer products out there. Definitely check them out. You'll be glad you did.